My presentation of the data management, in which I will explain how AI powered observatory improves the master of data management, and how it is important for the modern systems. So first thing first is what is MDM, Master of Data Management? Master of Data Management is the most important process, like all the organization make ensured like all the important data like business data, customer details, employees numbers, and their financial data should be appropriate, should be convenient and responsible and reliable for across all the systems. So the question is here like how I collected all of the data for my review paper. For the collection of all of my data, I clearly and carefully review all the review articles, industrial blogs, and the research paper like ARXIV, Master of Data Management Challenges, and the Modern Data Governance, which I will discuss later as well. I choose the sources that provide strong theoretical background, practical tools, and emerging research directions, so I could build a well-rounded understanding about all of them. So the how these sources like question raised here like how these sources help me to make a good review paper. Each of the sources which I selected for my research paper help me in the different way of study. Like some of them help me in the explainability. Other on the other hand, on the other side, some was focusing on the data drift, and other was and the other explain me like real world observatory tools and the compliance. Using all of these multiple sources help me to compare the ideas, making the patterns to explain the concept clearly in my review paper. So the data I have picked in for my review paper include the research articles. So I am including here some of the research paper and what type of and data information I got from them, and I used in my research paper. One of them is MDPI algorithm and general, which is explainability for the drift. I gained throughout understanding of the drift, data drift concept of the drift and explainability strategies from this, like sharp lime, um, sharp lime from the MDPI article. This aid me in writing my paper's interpretability and the drift detection. This article gave me the explanation for on the solid scientific basis. Other one is the research gate like MLOPS drift detection. This is another paper like MLOPS drift detection paper helped me to understand how real world and real time system detect and input and concept of the drift detection. This source supported my discussion on the data quality and importance of the continuous monitoring of the data of the MDM. It helped me to explain why enterprises needed an automated drift detection. Then next paper is the AI powered governance compliance. This paper give me an insight into the regulatory requirement like GDPR, CCPR, and how AI helps the automate compliance. It was very useful for my section on the security and the compliance monitoring. It explains me how the observatory system works and ensure the fairness and transparency and responsible for the AI behavior. The next one is the ARXIV data quality monitoring. The ARXIV paper guided my discussion on the interpretability, scalability, and the need for standard observatory formats. It explained challenges in managing the large scale of the data system, which I have already included in my open research section. So how this all of the data make my review paper? I have some discussion on this as well. So using all of these resources and this review paper allow me to combine the scientific research, practical tools, and the real world challenges. This helped me to create my paper that explain the observatory not only the theoretically but also the on the practical on the using the for the practical use and the future development as well. Each source add a unique perspective and the supported different part of the discussion. So there is another requirement like I have to discuss the unselected paper because absolutely there are too many papers that I have rejected in which some are I have included some of them in which one of them are explainability and the drift review. I have cancelled this paper because of its explainability and the drift detection, but it has this drift detection explainability, but there are no new practical findings because it is mainly theoretical, not the directly not directly supported to our coursework requirement. The other one is the ML observatory and the drift detection. This the other paper. This paper study focus on the real-time drift detection in the large industrial scale. I excluded it because its context does not match for my research for our research work or for the research paper, and it offer a limited academic depth for my coursework according to my coursework need. So thank you. This is all about the video presentation for my coursework. Thank you.